Was there really a monster in Delhi, or was it all just fear? In the summer of 2001, people in Delhi were terrified by stories of a strange creature called the Monkey Man, described as short and hairy with red eyes and metal claws. It was said to attack people at night. The city was full of fear, and news reports made everyone even more scared, leading to lots of calls to the police and extra patrols. Even though some people reported minor scratches and injuries, no one ever found real proof of the Monkey Man. The panic didn't last long and soon ended, but the stories about the Monkey Man became a local legend. Was the Monkey Man real, or was it just people scaring each other?